Hello and welcome to Investing for Generations. Today I want to show you my second stock in my portfolio, and this will be Caterpillar, or how ticker symbol is CAT. I guess everybody knows this worldwide leader with all the heavy vehicles for engineering and building and construction. So first of all, I want to talk a little bit about the company. Caterpillar was founded in 1925. It has four main business segments, which are construction industries, resource industries, power systems, and financial products. It is a worldwide leader in the sector by far and has around 10,000 employees and a yearly revenue of around $50 billion. Let's take a look at the financial numbers. Therefore, we go again to my spreadsheet. The current price is around $121. The dividend yield is 3.45% with a low payout ratio. A minus, of course, is a negative growth over the last 5 years, which is kind of typical for a cyclic company. However, the returns are still high and stable, and the margins too. Therefore, the company earns money even with a recession looming. And chances, in my view, are high that Caterpillar will heavily participate on the worldwide economic stimulus packages of the governments. A lot of this money goes to the infrastructure, and Caterpillar will have a share of it. I'm very sure about that. Also, even in recession, now the company have a very solid balance sheet. So the total assets minus liabilities are very stable at 1.64, which is a very good sign. Let's take a look at the management, because as you know, before I took an investment, every time I also take a look at the management, at least as a CEO. So for this, just go for the web page of Caterpillar. As we can see, the current CEO joined Caterpillar in 1980. So he served there my whole life. Since 2017, he took over as a CEO. And just take a look at the stock price since. As we can see, the stock price was around $94 when he took over and got his peak at over $170 and then came back a little bit. And as so many other stocks too, crashed in March very heavily to around $87, and now it's just on the way to recover. Just after all, I think the company is in good hands with the current CEO and the current leaders, so I have no doubt about this. But just take a look at the price. The intrinsic value right now is $130, and I bought the stock on the 27th of April 2020 for a little bit over $112. Right now, for me, the margin of safety to the intrinsic value is too little to buy more. If you will see prices around 110 again or lower, I will think about to buy even more. As for now, I'm very happy with my shares, and yeah, just let's see what happens and where all of that goes, and if there will be the so much predicted second crash. So what's the highlights and the low points of it? For me, the highlights are the still high returns, the good margins, the long-term solid management, and for me personally, that I had the chance to buy a cyclic company just in recession to a good price with high potential. And as always, it's a good feeling to buy the worldwide leader in his sector, and that's Caterpillar for sure. What's on the negative side? On the negative side, of course, is the negative growth in the last 5 years, which is kind of typical for a cyclic company. So I'm not too worried about. It's just the nature of the company, of the sector, and yeah, hopefully it will be a good long-term investment for me. So what's the conclusion of all of it? First of all, we have a very solid company, the worldwide leader in the sector, with a very strong market position. And I guess I bought it at the right price at the right time. But be aware, a cyclic is a cyclic, and so the timing is very important. And right now, it's maybe still a good moment to buy because I really think we are in recession now, and normally cyclic companies hit the bottom at the beginning of the recession or even before and then just rise. So maybe it's still the time to buy. For me, as I has my share right now, I will not buy any more right now to a better price for sure because I really like the company, I really like the business. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy. If so, just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.